The Vietnamese carmaker VinFast said its holding company has filed to go public in the United States as it plans to spend $4 billion on its first American factory complex in North Carolina. VinFast became Vietnam's first fully fledged carmaker in 2019, and now it's betting big on the United States, where it hopes to compete with legacy automakers as well as startups with electric SUVs. It also hopes to let drivers lease their batteries rather than buy them for a monthly fee, a model being used across the industry that can lower the starting price of cars. VinFast says prices for its VF8 SUV start at $41,000 in the US versus about $63,000 for a Tesla SUV. A source familiar with the matter said VinFast would probably look to raise about $2 billion from a listing. However, the company said the size and price range of an IPO had not been determined. VinFast CEO Leti Tutui spoke to reporters on Thursday.
We still have so many options to look at. So it's not definite that we're going to do that here. Still considering a lot of options. That is one of the options.
She said the IPO was planned for the second half of the year as one option to fund a plant planned in North Carolina and US expansion. The company plans to transition to all-electric vehicle production in late 2022. Outside North America, VinFast is looking for a plant in Germany, it said in January.